Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm going to share with you 5 things that you can do to easily and quickly get started making 1-minute videos for your business so you can shine and use social media smarter so you can get more results. If you're new to me, I am Heather Heuman with Sweet Tea Social Marketing, author of the book, The Golden Rules of Social Media Marketing, and the podcast, Business Jesus Sweet Tea. So why videos? And why am I talking to you today about 1-minute videos? Well, the reality is, and you may completely agree with me, but let me tell you this, making a 1-minute video is actually more difficult than making a video that just goes on and on and on. You don't have to be as careful as to what you're going to say. You can kind of ramble for any of us that might find that to be something a little bit easier to do. And you don't have to be as precise with your strategy of what you're going to include in your video. But here's why I think it's so powerful for us to be making 1-minute videos in our marketing. It allows for us to deliver great content and value and communicate it to our audience in a quicker period of time, and we can leverage that. Now, specifically, you can leverage 1-minute videos on both Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. But just so you know, on the Instagram feed, currently you can upload photos or videos, and those videos that you upload would need to be 60 seconds or shorter. So that's kind of like where the 1 minute comes from. If you have awesome 90-second videos, that is fantastic as well. That still is short, that still is tight, but it would just not necessarily go into that Instagram feed quality. So let's go ahead today and share with you what those 5 things are and just kind of knock this out so it doesn't feel complicated so you can begin getting started making these videos yourself. All right, let's dig in. Number 1, use a little bit of movement right at the beginning and make eye contact. Whether you go like this with your hands, whether you just kind of go like this, whether there's something else in the video that is moving. Maybe you're walking and you just take 3 steps at the beginning. Believe it or not, that little bit of movement, which would be what someone is seeing as they're doing the scroll, might be enough to capture or garner their attention. So again, I'm not trying to make you uncomfortable. I'm also not trying to tell you to do cartwheels and jumping jacks. There is value to just a little bit of movement, even if it's you just grabbing something and seeing some type of quick and easy movement in your video. All right. Number 2, I want you to smile. Smile. Make sure that you're making that eye contact and just come across like you have got some energy. Some of us maybe have a bigger smile. Some of us may be more confident with our smile. But I believe that smile is a way for us to communicate without even having to use words. That's a way for others to know that we are someone that they can do interactions with. Number 3, I want you to immediately let people know exactly what the video is going to be about. If you haven't heard this before, people are busy, people are on the go, and people are giving you 5 seconds, if that, to see if they want to keep listening. So you want to go right into what it is, what's in it for them, before you even consider doing intros and telling people about yourself. What's in it for them? Why should they watch the video? Okay, number 4, deliver the value. Deliver the value. Tell them that you're going to tell them something and tell them what it is. And then number 5 is you are simply going to ask for engagement in the video and have a call to action. That could be something as simple as saying, hey, if you found this video to be helpful or you liked it, feel free to share it and tag others. Hey, if you've enjoyed this, feel free in the comments below. Give me some feedback and let me know what you thought. Or if you would like to know more about X, Y, and Z, here's a link that you can click on. The link is right here below. I would love for you to check that out. Prompt people to actually go and do and take an action. So I do social media marketing and I'm helping business owners and nonprofits. So just to kind of give you a glimpse of what this might look like, let's pretend that I am making a 1-minute video and let's say it's going to be about Instagram. Okay. So let me just kind of pretend and kind of just walk you through what this might look like in my world. Hey guys, what's going on? I want to talk to you today about the number 1 mistake that I see business owners making as it relates to Instagram. So if you are on Instagram, here is what that mistake is. The mistake is that if you have a locally based business and you have an Instagram bio that makes no mention of where you live, on planet Earth, you are leaving so much money on the table. You are not allowing your business to be found by geographical search when people are looking for other businesses in that particular area. And you're also not making it super clear and simple for people to be able to identify if you are, let's say, a lawyer in Boise, Idaho, or if you are a dry cleaner in Boston, Massachusetts. You want that information to be easily identifiable in your Instagram bio. So if you are a locally based business, please make sure that you update your Instagram bio. Have you found this to be helpful? Go ahead here in the comments below and let me know. Or if you have other questions about future videos, I might be able to make a video about the topic that you have requested. Thanks. Okay, so do you see what I did there? I smiled. I made eye contact. I told you right at the very beginning, this is the number one mistake people are making, and that's what this video is about. I gave the meat, I explained it, I shared it, I got straight to the point, and at the end, I had a call to action. So I will tell you this, when you're making those 1-minute videos, maybe take the stress off of yourself of doing it live and feel that you can just record it and upload it. But what I can tell you is that you will get better the more that you practice it. But you will also be able to train your audience as well as yourself to know that you can give them value, make them smarter in a very short window of time, and therefore increase the case, right, that you are worthy of following on social media. Have you found today's video here on YouTube to be helpful? I would absolutely love for you to make sure that you give us a subscribe and please click that bell notification, because that's going to alert you when we have new videos ready for you right here on YouTube. In the meantime, I'm Heather Heuman in Sweet Tea Social. I can't even talk. Don't edit this out. I'm Heather Heuman of Sweet Tea Social Marketing, coming to you from Columbia, South Carolina. I hope that you are blessed. I hope that you are continuing to show up, serve your community well, and stick with me here on YouTube if you need help on how you can use social media the right way so you can grow your business, so you can have more income, more influence, and make more of an impact for Jesus. Take care, everybody, and be blessed. See you around.